Look at that. Okay. Next is Maria Karin from Gaia's Organic Kitchen. Um,
Okay,
so
that is
where are you
me.
calling in from?
I'm in France right now, but I live in Stroud.
Oh, okay, perfect. So you said, hi, do we have to market who we are or what we do or both?
Yeah, because the problem is I do
Yeah,
chefing and DJ, and those two just really don't go very well together.
yeah, those are two different businesses.
Yeah, yeah, darn.
Yeah, this is a good thing to notice is when is it one business with different branches on it? When is it
Hmm.
one tree with different branches, and when is it two different trees?
I
Yeah,
was
because
hoping
it's
to bring the two together or everything together under just my name. Right now, I've got Gala's Organic Kitchen, which is the food, and the DJing is Dance and Come Dance in Stroud. And I wanted to just bring it all together. And I just love your answer. I'm good now. Thanks.
oh, you're welcome.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's
yeah,
you'll suffer, everyone, if you try to
yeah.
combine things. If you're a butcher, a baker, and a candlestick maker, you say, I'm just going to open one shop with all three. It's generally a bad idea. Why? Because it's confusing. And then people's like, what is that new shop? Ah, she's got
Yeah,
baking.
the reason was
Does it
because
mean?
people said it's good to have, your website with your name, Maria Karen Gala or mcgala.com, and have people find you and not exactly what you offer, but find you.
No, I just disagree. I mean,
Mm,
maybe, but it's the great it depends answer on that one.
mm,
There's nothing universally great about people finding us by our name. The key thing is, can the people who are the best fit for our work find us? That's it. And if that means two different websites, which in this case it probably is, then that's what you
mm,
do. Because
mm,
what's happening is your ideal clients are Googling, they're
mm,
putting on Facebook, where can I find this? And um, it's just important that, this was the thing we talked about in the first week of the hub marketing semester's word of mouth. And just in reality, there's all the marketing theory, you can look at, but in reality, what happens is this. Somebody says, oh man, we have this party coming up and we need a DJ. Or we're doing this little festival, we're looking for DJs. And they just start asking people. Sometimes they ask Google, sometimes they post on Facebook, sometimes they text a friend, sometimes they're out at dinner and they just start, but that's how it goes in the real world. And then people say, oh, have you heard about, I went to this one woman, and this is where it all falls apart. Because often there's like, her name was, shit. Oh, hey, do you remember her name? That woman? No, you don't either. And it's all done. It's over. So it's very important that it's memorable, easy to spell, easy to find. The number of times I have tried to refer people and I couldn't remember their name or their website because it was a little strange. It was
mm,
clever. Don't try to be clever with your business name. Don't try to be
mm,
clever with your URL. Be as obvious as you humanly can. Um,
mm.
Save clever for when you're hanging out in person. But the same for catering. Our wedding's coming up. We need a caterer. Does anyone know a caterer? It happens like that. And so then we just want to make it as easy as possible for them to
Mm,
find us, to check us out, to see if it's a fit. And
mhm.
if they get to a website and it's confusing, yeah,
Yeah. So basically, it's a good idea if I keep Gala's Organic Kitchen with the cooking and then have MC Gala, which is my name, and do the DJ stuff there. And I could put a link to Gala's Organic Kitchen if the dancers
absolutely.
want to cook.
Yes. I mean, there's no harm in on a website that's primarily about one thing. It's
Yeah,
like if you have two trees, you can tie a rope from one branch to the other.
yeah.
You could build like a tree house in one, a tree house in the other, and a
Mm.
bridge between. That's fine. Um, it's just that but you get it.
Yeah, thank
Yeah.
you so much. I hope that was, even though it was kind of seems like a silly question now, I hope it was useful for other people too.
It's surprisingly common. This how do I,
Okay.
I have multiple passions. What do I do with them?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Thank
not
you.
easy.
Thank you. See
Yeah.
you in Stroud in November.
Oh, I can't wait. I look forward to it.
Thank you.